When modelling an assembly within SolidWorks, people often get in a mess with their mates, and they can get into a situation where the whole assembly is over-defined. It can often be quite confusing knowing where to start and how to fix these mate problems. If we have a look in the tree for this assembly, you'll notice I've got a couple of components that are highlighted red, indicating there's a problem. Now, one method to have a look at the mates is to scroll to the bottom of your feature tree and expand the mates folder, and this will list every single mate that's in your assembly. Now, this can be quite daunting to look at, and you'll see that we've got 4 problems here, but potentially this could have a knock-on effect to a lot of mates. So a real nice method of interrogating the model step by step is to click on an offending component, and you have the option to view mates. This will bring up a little dialog box that shows you the problem mates with that part, but more importantly, it's hidden all the other parts that aren't being affected at the moment. This way you should be able to get a nice clear understanding of what's going on. If I hover over the list of mates, you'll notice it highlights them graphically, and if I click on them, it brings up a little call up pointing to where the mate's affecting. On the call out, I'll have the option to suppress, edit, or flip the mate alignment for that mate. Another quick way to get to this area when you're in an overdefined state is to simply click on the overdefined text here, and that'll bring it up. Once you're in here, it'll be up to you to work out which mate is wrong. What's nice about it, if you just want to see what happens if you got rid of a mate, you could simply suppress it. You see, in our case, that fixes my problem. If I then just come out of the mate errors box, you'll notice I now don't have any problems in my assembly. If I go to that component we're interrogating and expand it in the tree, you'll see there's a folder that details just the mates in this assembly, and you'll see there's the coincident that I previously suppressed. If I decided that actually I didn't want that, I can choose it and press delete. And if I'm happy with that, click yes, and that clears it out. And I've now got a nice assembly.